First, open the TikTok website. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, click Log Out. A confirmation window will appear. Click Log Out again. Wait until you're signed out of your account. Now click Log In. Complete the verification if prompted. Select Use Phone, Email, or Username. Then click Use Email or Username. Click Forgot Password. Choose Email if your TikTok account is linked to an email address. Enter your email address. Then click Send Code. Open your email inbox. Copy the verification code sent by TikTok. Go back to the TikTok page. Paste the verification code. Click Verify. Now enter your new password. Re-enter the same password to confirm it if prompted. Then click Log In. Wait a few seconds. You'll now be logged in with your new password. That's it. This is how you can change your TikTok password on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.